Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a healthy lunch with HelloFresh step by step clearly. Start by selecting a HelloFresh meal kit that appeals to you. Unbox the meal kit and lay out all the ingredients on a clean surface. Check the recipe card for an overview of the ingredients and cooking instructions. Wash your hands to ensure cleanliness before handling food. Preheat your oven if the recipe requires baking. Gather all necessary cooking tools, including pots, pans, and utensils. Start by chopping any vegetables as indicated on the recipe card. Set aside the chopped vegetables to keep your workspace organized. Next, prepare any proteins, such as marinating chicken or seasoning fish. Heat a pan over medium heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Add the protein to the pan and cook until it's golden brown and cooked through. While the protein cooks, start on the vegetables by sautéing them in a separate pan. Season the vegetables according to the recipe for added flavor. Check your protein and vegetables occasionally, stirring as needed. If the recipe calls for grains or pasta, cook those according to the package instructions. Once everything is cooked, it's time to plate your meal. Start with a base of grains or greens on your plate. Layer the cooked protein on top of the base. Add the sautéed vegetables as a colorful topping. Finish with any garnishes, such as herbs or a squeeze of lemon, if desired. Review the final presentation to ensure it looks appetizing. Enjoy your healthy HelloFresh lunch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.